Back at it again, back at it again. As you can see, this is the proper way how to scrap E-track system. You have the pin at the bottom, you have the pin at the top. And a lot of people don't know that with the pallet jack, you jack it up and then you turn it to the right. And when you're doing that, and make sure that your pallet jack does not move when you drive it. And so the proper way to secure, showing you when you're using the E-track system, guys, is make sure that you secure. As you can see, I got 3 gallons, 5 gallons at the top, and then at the bottom, I'm securing it as well. So this is the proper way. This particular one is going to pay $175. Deliver it to the construction site, www.cargovanbusiness.com.